What is going on? What is going on? It is Eric Techstuffs. It's been a minute, but hey, that's all right. Now, today is a very special video, and the reason is the repairs I do are very limited. It has been only really my equipment, and I have still not had time for that. But Mr. 21, now you know him on the bands. He runs a old radio night on Channel 12 in Charleston, South Carolina. When the DX is rolling, you can get him. And yeah, he runs some very, very nice equipment. Now, he reached out to me and it's like, I'm not in a rush for this, and I just need you to go through this. Reason was, I think he bought it this way or somewhat like this, but it does have a, of course, different display here. This is the frequency counter. It's all blue. Not the clock that was original. Of course, it has a blue display as well. Blue cross a little bit. Very nice, very beautiful. Now, this is a TRAM D 300, and it is basically built on the Cobra 140 and 142 GTL. It will have the PC 385 AC or AG board inside this one, so we're going to take a look at that. But he had this radio when he got it, or however he acquired it. It had a channel board kit on it. Now, not the flip switches and all that stuff, but it was similar to this. And I have that over in the side there. That's a box for this. This is the only the one I have here. But as an example, it's a Redco. It's the same thing. Basically, this unit, when you wire it up properly on the instructions, it will inject into your radio and give you the frequencies here. That way you don't have to do anything with the knobs here. Everything will basically be up, down, and there. You basically disable that equipment, and then you have up, down, and you have to use this as the frequency counter. Issue he had, and as you can see, we're on channel 6 and AM. This now we're going to check to make sure it's not just the frequency counter. This is an aftermarket piece, so we're going to check on that. But the clarifier, we go all the way up, it almost makes it on frequency, but not quite. So 21 didn't like that, and he said something about drift as well. The knobs are all tough, especially this volume here, so we're not going to stress this too much. We're going to get that all cleaned up. But yeah, check out Old Radio Night on YouTube at 21. You can reach him there, because I will leave a link on the description of this video down below for Mr. 21. So we're going to go through this radio and probably recap it. So that is what we're going to start with. That's usually how I start with it. But we're going to pull the case off, see what's been modified and what's been done. We're seeing this move around a little bit. Maybe it's on transmit, maybe it's on receive. So we're going to start doing test equipment stuff. However, we've got to get this on frequency for Mr. 21. So we'll be back in just a little bit. Peel the covers off, get in down below. And like I said, yes, a recap does not modify or make a radio better. What it does do is allow that radio to continue in life. If other components down the chain did not get shorted out, the electrolytic capacitors usually are the ones to go. And radios like this, in an unknown, he wanted to do that and just do a full recap. So we're going to go ahead and get that going. That'll allow us at least those components, which usually end up causing other components to fail when they short to close, or a complete short, they don't. So we're going to start there, work our way through, see what's going on with this radio. But yes, this is a beautiful TRAM D 300 and Mr. 21. But yes, I only do some very limited repairs, so this is one of them. So Eric Techstuffs, we'll be back.